Welcome to Ample Blaze's video tutorial on how to clear your cookies using Microsoft Edge. Now there are a few ways, or a couple of ways actually, and I'll show you two ways. One is going to be clearing your cookies throughout the entire browser, and one is how to clear cookies specifically on specific pages that you have. So there's sometimes web pages that are only affected and don't work properly, but every other page works. So I will show you how to specifically clear cookies for that specific page that doesn't work as well. So first thing, to clear cookies for the entire browser, you click on the three dots, come down to history, click on history. You'll get another window that shows you the history of the sites that you've been looking at. Now what you can do here is click on the three dots here, and you have clear browsing data. Click that, and then you will be taken to this section, and you can choose what you want to clear. Now the first thing that you've got to choose, like Chrome, so Edge is based on Chrome as well. That's how it is. You can do all time, and you can clear cookies, download history, browsing history, cached images, and passwords. Remember that we leave passwords and autofill alone. Site permissions, we can tick that as well. This one as well. One as well, and then we clear now. It does it clear, and that's it. Now I don't usually use Microsoft Edge, so that's why it was pretty quick. Now the other thing that you can do in regards to specific, so if I had a problem with the Ample Blaze website that something wasn't loading correctly, I would be going to the little padlock in the corner like Chrome, clicking on that. Just go wait for a second. Little padlock, and we've got cookies here as well. We'll click on cookies, and like Chrome, you've got the same sort of interface. Click on the top one, remove, 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 until it's completely gone. Click done, and then you can open up another tab, close the original, and go into Ample Blaze again. I'll take you there, and things should load as normal. But yeah, so I didn't have a problem in the first place, but just to show you guys how that works. Thanks for watching.